Okay, so I've been asked how I store some of this vacuum sealed produce or products, and here I'm showing one way that it can be done. This is what I do. I have these great big totes, and in here I have all the flour that I vacuum sealed except what I've put in the freezer. I have about 6 blocks of this coffee and all the rice that I had. I think there was 2 bags of rice. I ran 44 pounds of rice and at least 60 pounds of flour in here. So I think that's it for this bin. I certainly wouldn't want to try and lift it, but I could store another one on top of it if I had to, but I won't do that either. I'll put something lighter on top of it. And I have another bin just like that I'm going to use for all the beans, and I may salvage whatever jars I have beans in and do the same thing with them and just use the jars for something else. I'd like to reuse the jars for all my sugar. I have a huge bag of salt in a 5-gallon bucket, so that's probably fine as it is. Now, sugar and salt you do not vacuum seal, so just a jar, just to keep out anything that you don't want in there is a good way to go. Okay, just providing this for interest's sake.